Never start a business part time. Impulse has grown 10x. अभी मेरी quality of coffee ऐसी है कि मैं इतने सस्ते में तो दे नहीं सकती. Nicer to you if my hair is looking good. Look who got influenced. June, July was a lull in terms of sale. Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Hustle with Sar, where you and I, we hustle together. We are already in office. It's Monday today, and my first half of today was actually very slow but very insightful. I had a meeting outside in Soho House, तो मैं उधर गई थी meeting के लिए, and then पूरा दिन मैं उधर ही थी, मतलब पूरी दोपहर में उधर ही थी. And अभी मैं office आई हूँ 4 बजे. I got through some edits with my editor, so you all will have a lot of content to watch. I wasn't posting on Instagram due to everything that's been happening in the world, in the country. I just was not posting at all. I took a break from social media because it's also irrelevant to post beauty, wellness, fashion content when you are, going through something much more serious in the country. तो अब मैं post नहीं करती. आज से I'm going to resume posting. आज 27 जुलाई है. I was also looking at some prices on the website and on Amazon on what prices we want to go ahead with in August, what offers we want to give. We actually reduced discounting overall on Impulse. Like discounting से मेरा मतलब है कि sales हम ज़्यादा नहीं देते. जो price आपको website and Amazon and Blinkit पे मिल रही है, that is the best price we are offering. So I was just looking at the margins we are getting right now with our vendors and if it's sustainable or not. It's a monthly activity that I keep doing क्योंकि ये लोग की platforms commissions भी बहुत high होते हैं. Blinkit is 40%, Amazon is 35%. Plus उस पे ad भी चलाना होता है to make your product come up in the search so people can see and want to buy it. So overall what you get in your hand is literally nil and void at the end. So you have to keep looking at it month on month. के the price I'm offering, is that justifying all the commissions, the marketing spend, everything apart from the COGS, that is the cost of consumer good. The COGS is basically the product expense जो manufacturer से आने लगता है. Oh, it's 5 already. I have a meeting right now with my nutritionist. So I'm just going to quickly take my personal nutritionist meeting also. Something else I had to tell you all today. I'm not happy with my curly girl routine lately. My curls बहुत dry हो गए, so I'm not enjoying it a lot, but it is what it is. बाहर बहुत gloomy भी है तो light इतनी अच्छी नहीं आ रही होगी.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Awesome, very well. I was just, Tanzila is just joining in a while. Meanwhile, you tell me how's everything going?
Good. I'll talk about the nutrition plan only because we have only 30 minutes to talk. Because offers, if you go to see na buy two get one, yeah, yes, it attracts a lot of viewers at that particular time, but it's not giving a great revenue uptake on the current this, and also consumers are getting used to these offers. It's not like I want to dilute inventory because my inventory is in rolling form. So what is the reason to do these offers? So one, तो we want to keep एक प्राइस जो कोई भी कंज्यूमर आए तो बिजनेस एज यूजुअल भी अच्छा चलना चाहिए एंड ग्रो होते रहना चाहिए विदाउट अ डिस्काउंटिंग अप्रोच. So that is the pricing that I'm working on to activate on both Amazon and website, because Blinkit is not price sensitive at all. Blinkit is operational sensitive.
2 hours later.
Quick updates with what's happening at Impulse right now. One is we are not doing sales the way we used to before. If you've seen us before, we've done a lot of offers, lots of discounts. Monthly, we used to run 2 to 3 offers. We've stopped doing that. So we are coming down to one big tentpole event in a quarter, and that will be it. So apart from that, I want कि हमारे जो prices है website पे वो अच्छे ही हो, like best price available, and at any point on Amazon, Blinkit या हमारी website पे आप जाओ तो you get the best price that you can possibly get Impulse at, and plus extra offers. तो अभी website पे if you buy above 2000 rupees you get a frother free. हमारा supercharged frother you get absolutely free. You also get buy 2 and free shipping. So shipping का cost भी पहले हम लोग shipping cost भी लेते थे. So now these things you don't have to pay for only. It's like business as usual. Prices are only really good for you overall, and you can just buy whenever you want. So that's something we're changing at Impulse. So I'm updating prices from 1st of August, and then that will be your business as usual. Whenever you want to shop Impulse, it's the best price. That's there, and then there's a lot of new products which are coming up, a lot of new designs which are coming in. So अभी हमारी design agency के साथ meeting है to discuss the designs that they did a first round of designs for us. It was horrible, not good. So abhi second round hopefully is better.
We've taken a complete U-turn this time and tried a very, very different direction. It's almost a gamble, but I hope you like what we've explored, because internally we're like all really enjoying it.
Okay.
So yeah, like there's a small build up also for the presentation, just to set some context, because I think what's really important is to create a story for the brand that can be really unique.
लोग बोलते हो सारा व्लॉग क्यों नहीं करते आप दिखाते क्यों नहीं हो क्या हो रहा है लाइफ में। 9:30 बजे आपकी सारा ऑफिस छोड़ रही है तो आपको क्या दिखाएगी, कुछ लाइफ में होना चाहिए दिखाने लायक। अभी हम लैपटॉप रैप अप कर रहे हैं। आई हैड 2 परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटर्स आई हैड टू इंटरव्यू बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट बीन हैप्पी विद द परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग एजेंसी वी वर्कड विद फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम। उन्होंने बहुत स्कैम किया एक्चुअली हमको बहुत ओकेजन्स पे। देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दे वर डूइंग रॉन्ग विद द एड स्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ द एड अकाउंट, मेटा एड्स, गूगल एड्स। उन लोग ने जो हमारी वेबसाइट में पिक्सल भी डाला था वो भी हमारा नहीं था। दैट मीन्स जो भी आज तक डेटा ट्रैक हुआ है इम्पल्स के कंज्यूमर्स जो आते हैं, so, ये सब एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स कैसे चलती है ना, जो भी कंज्यूमर आपकी वेबसाइट पे लैंड भी होता है ना आपको वो एड दिखने लगेगी। सो द पिक्सल ऑन द वेबसाइट मैप्स everything, every consumer that's coming in, every tracking, every click, everything. And so far the agency we were working with, they had put their own pixel on our website. That means we never even had our own pixel. So आज तक जितनी लर्निंग हुई है, मैंने लाखों करोड़ों के स्पेंड्स किए मेटा गूगल पे, वो सब कुछ उनके पिक्सल पे लर्निंग हुआ है। तो आज आई लिटरली हैड टू बाइट द बुलेट एंड एक्सेप्ट इट एंड बी लाइक ठीक है कट ऑफ करो ये पूरा पिक्सल, लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, लेट्स मेक अ न्यू पिक्सल which is our data, put it into the website. The ad account, we already have 2 ad accounts. We have one Sara Sarosh ad account which is the creator ad account, which was also a wrong move from them. They used to run ads from Sara Sarosh's ad account, which is not the way you roll in a business. You do it from Impulse Coffee. There's a lot of like structuring related issues that I think as a founder when I've like let go, like in the starting जो 3 साल थे ना जब मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया एकदम से बिजनेस पे, मैं ज्यादा कंटेंट पे ड्रिवन थी, ये बहुत लोगों ने आके मेरा बना के लेके गए, लाइक बहुत मेरा लाइक यू नो काटा है। एंड इफ यू आर नॉट फुल्ली डूइंग, माई वन एडवाइस टू एनी बिजनेस फाउंडर वुड बी नेवर स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस पार्ट टाइम, नेवर डू इट पार्ट टाइम। दैट वाज माई बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड Impulse, that I was a part-time business owner and a full-time content creator. That was the most foolish thing you would do. Either don't do a business or do it full-heartedly, पूरे जिगरे के साथ करो, क्योंकि yes you will make a lot of mistakes, you will make a lot of mistakes, burn a lot of money, and if you don't have the privilege to do it, then maybe you shouldn't even consider it, because today I have made my own privilege. मैंने जो भी influencer marketing से पैसा कमाया है वो सारा मैं पैसा Impulse में लगाती हूँ। I make mistakes, I have to accept them. I make hiring mistakes, I have to accept them. There are things I have to make spends and accept कि हाँ ठीक है गलती हो गई, let's move on, you know, let's bite the bullet and move on. So the more you will be faster in that approach than sitting and crying कि अरे यार गलती हो गई अब क्या करेंगे मेरी दुनिया लुट गई, ऐसा नहीं होता। In the last 1 year Impulse has grown 10x and mashallah that entire growth has happened bootstrapped. That means जो पैसा मैंने एक जमाने में Impulse में लगाया था वो ही पैसा हम कैश फ्लो पॉजिटिव रख के चॉन करते। बट इफ देयर आर एनी मिस्टेक्स दैट हैपन, इफ लाइक द फायर इन द वेयरहाउस हो गया या कोई एक्सपेंसिव एम्प्लॉय को मैंने लगा लिया और वो अच्छा नहीं निकला, ये सारे मिस्टेक्स का फंडिंग मुझे करना पड़ता है, अपनी जेब से करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि कंपनी में बैंडविड्थ नहीं है वो लेने की। कंपनी कैन फंड इट्स ओन ग्रोथ, इट्स ओन प्रॉफिट एक्सेट्रा। सो दीज आर लाइक लिटरल statistical things that I've gotten into nitty-gritties of operating a business and not just being an influencer face to the business. Like a lot of people make fun of me online if I ever read Reddit and all, and they are like सारा की कॉफी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है इसलिए वो इतना ad चलाती है। That's not the case. I just don't want to target मेरी audience. I want to reach everywhere, and to reach everywhere you have to use every method of marketing possible, especially in digital media. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं बिलबोर्ड लगा सकती हूँ, दुकानों में जा सकती हूँ, ये सब चीजों में बहुत इन्वेंट्री ब्लॉक होता है और बिलबोर्ड्स वगैरह तो बहुत महंगे हैं। तो छोटे छोटे स्केल पे यू हैव टू स्टार्ट स्मॉल एंड स्टेडी, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू बिल्ड अ डिजिटल बिजनेस, ऑन हाउ यू रन एड्स ऑन मेटा, ऑन गूगल, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ। अभी इन्फ्लुएंसर मतलब मैं तो ऐसे बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर्स लाइक माई सेल्फ आई कैन नॉट अफोर्ड, सो आई हैव टू स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल क्रिएटर्स एंड लाइक बिल्ड द लैडर, एंड एवरी स्टेप मैटर्स, एवरी रुपी मैटर्स। बट या अभी 9:30 बज रहे, मुझे भूख लगी है, आई नीड माई नम, आई एम हंग्री, एंड tomorrow will be shoot day in the studio. So Tuesdays and Thursdays we do shoot, and Monday and Wednesday हम काम पे आते। तो अभी आज तो बहुत कुछ प्रोडक्टिव हो गया, बट सारा की टास्क लिस्ट कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है, तो देखते घर जाके अगर मैं थोड़ा कुछ कर पाऊँ, वरना कल कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा। ओके, सी यू टुमारो।
The next morning.
Good morning guys, it's Tuesday and this is my breakfast. I have 2 full eggs, 2 egg whites, 1 bread, coffee, and coffee with ghee, and something else also, fruits. And this is the book I'm reading. It's Rework. It's basically on business, but changing the way you look at business and how you think, etc. It's really an easy read. It's just 2 pages for each chapter, so very easy read. So in the morning, it's fine. Just finished my prayers and I want to start with my day, but I think my sinuses are flared up. I'm having a little bit of like headache and I was sneezing since morning. So either the AC was too cold last night or something is giving me an allergic reaction. Either ways, I'm going to go down and get a blow dry because I'm not feeling myself. Today is shoot day. Tuesdays are shoot days. तो आज पता नहीं मेरे curly ऐसा मन ही नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं curly hair को set करूँ. I'm just feeling like getting a blow dry, and that's the best part about curly hair, right? You can become straight whenever you want and you can be curly whenever you want. So I'm gonna go get a blow dry. I'll also get an antihistamine for my nose. Can you see that? It's watering and it's, I don't know for what reason, like मेरे घर में तो धूल भी नहीं है, and अगर धूल होती तो पहले रीत को affect होता क्योंकि उसको तो sensitive sinus है. But yeah, irrespective, let me go get a blow dry and feel more myself. I was thinking today I'll film a YouTube long format video. Been a while to that. Like a sit down and yeah, let's see. Dipanshi is literally emptying the loft for y'all to pack giveaways. Like इतना सामान है कि सत्यम अंदर घुस के सामान निकाल रहा है. Yes. कौन है ये सीली? Oh god, this is how my sinuses will get flared, guys. I need to take my laptop and move out of this room and my tissue box. The last thing, जो आखिरी चीज मुझे देखनी बची थी अपनी जवानी में, वो है एक सफेद बाल. मेरा पहला सफेद बाल इधर ही था. Oh god, what a nightmare. Guys, बुढ़ापा. It's like baby hair, huh? It's like just growing out. So this is a sabut of my stress. I don't know why I'm feeling unwell today though. Like the best part when you're maintaining fitness is that when you're sick, you don't feel it the way you would feel it. Like मेरे घर में सबको वायरल हो गया, okay? मम्मी को, सब्बू को, ईशू को, रीत को, सबको वायरल हो गया. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझे ही नहीं टच किया अभी तक वो वेदर चेंज वाला बुखार जो मुझे पहले हमेशा होता था. एंड इवन इफ टुडे आई एम फीलिंग अ लिटिल अंडर द वेदर, लाइक मेरी नाक खुज आ रही है, मुझे छींके आ रही है वगैरह, इट्स नॉट दैट बैड कि मैं बात भी नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. मैं पड़ी हूँ बिस्तर पे, मुझे बहुत बुखार आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा स्वेटिंग हो रहा है, तो आई थिंक फीवर्स कमिंग एंड गोइंग. बट आई ईट अ वेरी एंटीऑक्सीडेंट रिच डाइट विच हेल्प्स विथ माई स्किन ग्लो बट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स विथ माई इम्यूनिटी टू फाइट दीज डिजीजेस. सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल व्हेन दे आस्क मी कि आप इतना अच्छा खाना खाते हो, आप जिम जाते हो, तो आप अभी मोटे कैसे हो? मोटापा इज नॉट द ओनली वे टू जज दैट यू आर अ हेल्दी इंडिविजुअल. द हेल्दीनेस कम्स इन दीज फैक्टर्स. हाउ वेल माई बॉडी फाइट्स अ डिजीज, हाउ ऑफन डू आई फॉल sick. Like I think I'm falling sick. First time in 2026 I'm falling sick. I don't remember the last time I was sick or feeling unwell or under the weather. So these are, especially with my high performance lifestyle, जब मैं इतना स्ट्रेस लेती थी मेडिकल के दौरान, नीट के टाइम पे मैं इतना स्ट्रेस लेती थी, जब एंट्रेंस एग्जाम था, मैं हर हफ्ते बीमार पड़ती थी. एंड कंपेयर टू that was a younger girl who was subject to stress. She would fall sick a lot more, the younger Sarah, as compared to the older Sarah who's under the similar stress with her business but doesn't fall sick. So the only thing that has changed is me incorporating workouts and eating right in my meals. So these things, they compound. When you eat right, when you give your body the right nutrition and when you work out, वो चीजें compound होकर आपकी body को better बनाती है. आप पतले एकदम slim figure जैसा आप imagine कर रहे हो वैसे नहीं दिखोगे शायद, but you will definitely look healthy. Like I love the way I look in clothes, my body looks fitter, but I also feel healthier to these situations. And this is what I've been telling you all कि normalize करो, क्योंकि अगर मुझे सिर्फ आपको दिखाने के लिए पतले होना होता तो मैं भी Ozempic मुंजारो करके पतली हो जाती और बोलती अरे मैं तो फिट हूँ, एकदम फिट हूँ. But that's not the level of fitness you want to achieve. That's unrealistic. You want to have an immunity that fights diseases. Basically longevity, right? हमको सबको बुढ़ा होना है, बट एज ग्रेसफुली होना है ताकि हम बुढ़ापे में ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस, ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, ये दुख रहा है वो दुख रहा है, किट ना करते रहे. सो दैट इज द गोल विथ वांटिंग टू एज बेटर इन जनरल. दैट इज माय गोल इन लाइफ. एंड आई एम जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी. थोड़ा सा मैंने बाल ऐसे बना लिया एंड लिपस्टिक लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरी 3 बजे एक इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग है जो मैं वैसे पोस्टपोन नहीं करने का सोच रही थी. आज मेरा जो शूट डे था वो मैंने कैंसिल कर दी. इफ आई एवर फील अ लिटिल अनवेल, आई ऑलवेज पुश वर्क बिकॉज हेल्थ ऑलवेज कम्स फर्स्ट. इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल, देयर इज नो पॉइंट. टेक अ सिक believe if you're in a corporate, take a day off. If you rest in bed the entire day when you're sick, you heal a lot faster than antibiotics. Always remember that. Like my gym trainer, जितनी बार वो बीमार पड़ता है antibiotics लेता है. I'm like, boss तेरा क्या होगा बड़े हो के, क्या फायदा तेरा gym trainer होके बल्कि body बना के अगर तू antibiotics पे जिंदा रहने वाला है. So these are places where health and fitness का थोड़ा हमको ना unlearn and relearn करना पड़ेगा, especially in Indian mindsets. In Indian mindsets it's only अगर तुम पतले दिख रहे हो, सिर्फ पतले हो तो तुम fit हो. But that's not how fitness goes. Like मैं जब छोटी हुई थी, I was always tall ना, so I used to look very skinny and thin when I was growing up in puberty. So all these aunties would meet me and be like, अरे बेटा तू तो कितनी fit लग रही है. And I'm like, fit करने के लिए मैंने ऐसा कभी कुछ किया नहीं था. I was an active kid, but I was never a healthy kid. I used to eat a lot of junk growing up. That now I realize, and I'm like, I was never fit, auntie, but you thought I was fit just because I was tall and skinny. So our idea of fitness is always tall and skinny in Indian mindsets, and we definitely need to unlearn, relearn that. They are shooting वहाँ पर for Impulse. Riya's editing vlog उधर, and I just got done with this call, and now I am going to get into some work that I have to finish. मेरी तबीयत ठीक लग रही है. अभी I took antihistamine. मेरे को छींकें आ रही थी. So I'm good. These are my listings. This is done. This is done.
A few moments later.
You want to show me as well now?
No,
Show no. I also want to see.
it's mine.
I didn't know. I've never ordered from Ajio Lux, so I want to see what's the packaging. I honestly want to see.
No, you'll judge me a lot.
अरे
I don't like sharing things with you all. You'll judge me too.
दिखाओ ना क्या है यार.
तुमको क्यों देखना है?
क्यों नहीं देखना मुझे? You also want to see all the everything I get.
I don't want to see everything. I'm not even in the house full day to check what is it.
Oh please, I get something and I don't show you like. What is this? How come I didn't see it?
Come here. No, if you want to see, come here. Come in the frame. You also come.
Guys, we're gonna see what Sarah got. It's
Okay,
sunglasses.
make guesses.
Sunglasses.
Which brand?
So it's sunglasses.
Which brand? Guess fully.
Gucci.
Okay, what do you
Or
think?
Gucci or Miu Miu.
पता नहीं मुझे.
Guess is important. Then only I'm opening in front of you. Otherwise, you get out.
अच्छा okay.
Just get out.
Huh?
Okay, Prada.
Prada is not available online. Miu Miu is, not Prada.
अच्छा तो Miu Miu चलो.
Sunglasses, he said. What do you want to say?
It's a. I don't think it's a watch because watch का छोटा होगा डब्बा.
Something I wanted lately, I was mentioning it.
Perfume.
Bucket hat.
But
Shoes.
No,
shoes will fit in this much.
shoes
My
will
leg
so
is bigger. My leg is bigger than this.
It's
Yeah,
sunglasses
packaging.
only.
Tan 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 tan
क्या है?
tan tan.
What is that?
अच्छा oh.
Ah, the necklace.
Oh, yeah.
The lost necklace.
Guys, my lost diamond is here, which Reet had gifted me. I was so upset that so beautiful. Please guys, इसको नजर मत लगाना. एक
Sure,
बार नजर
let's
लगा
see.
के घूमूंगी.
Cute.
I told you I'd take you to the store and get you a new one.
I know you said, but you spent on me once already. I felt bad that I lost it. I don't know how I lost it, but I lost it. So it's on me. I will use this very vicariously now, not every day. I used to wear it every day since Reed gifted. 4 months I wore it every day.
What
The
shape it
same.
is? Hearts. I thought it's palm leaves.
It was 2 hearts only. See, na?
Ah.
See, I was wearing it
Put
all
it.
this while. See, like this only it was. There is one more Mesmera pendant, which is different. It's called the Swarovski Mesmera pendant. I'm not well, but this made me happy today.
Now you're all better.
See, it's the same, Janu.
Yeah.
It's looking the same.
Yeah. Obviously, it's looking the
When
same.
you didn't wear it.
When I didn't wear it, was men really. I don't know what they think before buying.
So cute.
I was missing it on my neck so much because I was wearing it every day for 4 months. मुझे सी आदत हो गई थी ऐसे करने
But then when you lose it, it's like, and you wore it every day, then if something you didn't wear and then it gets lost, then it's like, okay. But if you wear something every day and then it's missing, it's like a part
and
of you
I was
is
so
gone.
careful
Yeah.
with it. The thing is, I remember exactly where I kept it, but it wasn't there later when I saw it. You're
Does-
getting a lot of pimples.
I know, I don't know what's happening.
Ice cream is happening.
No.
110%. Don't eat it for a month, any sugar, and I will.
Boom. Guys, I'm on a strict diet. No sugar.
ये और ये. I'll tell you what is happening in New York. Even if you were eating ice cream, you should not eat food only. So the overall sugar index was low. Now you're eating so much food.
Rice,
4 times a meals you eat, 4 meals a day. You eat Malabar parotha, मम्मी का चावल, बिरयानी, पुलाव सब खाता है, डोसा, चटनी सब, और फिर आइसक्रीम लेके ऐसे कटोरी में रात को रीत और ये बैठ के खाता है. मैं बता नहीं पा रही हूँ मैं कितनी खुश हूँ कि मेरा ये पेंडेंट मैंने वापस ले लिया, क्योंकि लाइक मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये पेंडेंट, बहुत ज्यादा. ऑफ कोर्स ज्यादा मायने रख रही थी वो चीज क्योंकि रीत ने मुझे दी थी. ऑब्जेक्ट जो उसने दिया था वो गुम हो गया, बट एटलीस्ट द सेंटिमेंट स्टिल स्टेज. फॉर्चुनेटली इट वाज नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव अ थिंग दैट आई कुडंट रीपर्चेज इट. लाइक द टेनिस ब्रेसलेट व्हेन आई लॉस्ट इट, माय मॉम एंड डैड वर लाइक वापस ले लेगी, कोई बात नहीं, वापस ले लेना, कोई बात नहीं. बट आई नेवर बॉट इट अगेन बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट दैट इनएक्सपेंसिव कि यूं ही वापस ले लूं. इनफैक्ट टेनिस ब्रेसलेट शब्द से ही मुझे ट्रॉमा हो गया है. अभी मैं कभी वापस ना लूं. कभी कभी मैं मॉम का पहन लेती हूँ एंड उसके बाद मैं वापस कर देती हूँ उनको इमीडिएटली शूट के बाद, क्योंकि मुझे इतना ट्रॉमा है वो चीज से. ये सारी चीजें बहुत रिस्की है. लाइक योर नेकलेस कैन बी पुल्ड ऑफ, इट्स अ डेंटी थिंग, यू कैन लूज इट. ब्रेसलेट्स कैन बी स्नैच्ड. रिंग्स आर द ओनली थिंग आई हैव मैनेज्ड टू सॉर्ट ऑफ वेयर विदाउट लूजिंग. बट या आई वाज जस्ट सो सैड इन द पास्ट फ्यू डेज जब से वो गुम हुआ है. एंड आई एग्जैक्टली रिमेंबर मैंने उसको लास्ट कब पहना था, तो मैंने इतना ढूंढा है, मैंने पूरा घर उल्टा सुल्टा कर दिया उसको ढूंढने और नहीं मिला. फाइनली आई वाज एट वर्क एंड आई वाज फीलिंग सो सैड एंड आई वाज like, Sara, is it worth it feeling so sad over an object which you can afford to buy and replace in your life? Yes, the sentiment doesn't really go because Reet also was like, मैं नया दिला दूंगा, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. But it's not about that, you know. I don't know, like, और क्या ही, like, I was just so sad not having it and I'm so happy that I have it again that I'm like, ठीक है, it's fine. Like, it's not the same one, but it's back and I'm just so happy. Like, so I'm so glad I bought it again. So happy that I bought it. In fact, आज मुझे तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही थी, but ये पहन के मैं एकदम खुश मेरा दिल बाग हो गया है. अभी सनसेट हो चुका है. आज मेरा थोड़ा स्लो दिन था. शूट करना था, शूट तो किया नहीं आपकी सारा ने, कोई बात नहीं. वी हैव कंटेंट टू पोस्ट, सो नो प्रॉब्लम. आई विल प्रे नमाज नाउ, मगरिब का नमाज आई विल प्रे. Guys, because I was sneezing so much today, Mally took it upon him to get this cleaned out and I asked him to remove the Godox ka light. Oh my god, this room has become like a lot bigger by him just removing these lights. So we stopped filming like long form content itna, and I have now smaller portable lights which are easier to mount. So the bade umbrella wale se impulse ke badi shoot pe nikalte hai, so we've got rid of those two. Look at the space there is now because of it. So it's all the dust you can see कि सत्यम झाड़ू लगाते वक्त ये सब छोड़ देता था एरियाज, एंड मेरा पेंट भी खराब हो गया. ये दिवाली में मैं सोच रही हूँ पेंट कर दूँ. ये मैं क्लियर करती हूँ, बट अभी आप पहले झाड़ू लगाओ वरना मुझे वापस छींक आएगी. कैन यू मेक स्पेस फॉर माई मेकअप पाउचेस एंड ऑल? These are for shoot, ice cheese. You can keep them in the cabinet, no?
Right? Instead of here in a box.
Yeah. Mally is like me only, loves cleaning. It's just that I don't get time in the house. And Mally has time, and Reet is cooking today because he's in a mood to cook.
So productive. What a productive man.
Look at him cooking the momos.
Guys, these momos would sell in Mumbai for 1 crore rupees.
What
Who wants to
rubbish.
hire me?
Oh my god.
I'm available.
You spoiled the pan and the momo. What are you up to?
Sorry.
This is the
I'll do
spicy
better.
chicken one that you use?
Yeah.
There is a lot more. Did you defrost them at all?
No.
You're supposed to defrost first before
But
you
we
cook.
don't have time.
What? We do have time.
But let's try it anyways. Even a destroyed momo can be good. Its looks don't matter, you know.
Look who's talking. You're gonna eat that directly from the pan?
You're going to eat.
I'm not going to eat. Look at the condition of that momo. It's not even a momo.
I bet a lot of you wish you could eat this right now.
None of them wish. You can buy Prasuma on Blinkit. Everyone can afford it and everyone can eat it.
This is just a scam. Sarah just put this bag here. I have made this from scratch.
Guys, we all know what a Prasuma looks like. Not even one is turned out worth eating. The momo material is good only. You cooked it so badly. Not remove. Let me cook some momos. Get
No,
side.
I'll cook it.
Get side.
Please.
That is Reet's delicious cooking for tonight for Mally and Reet. And this is how you pan fry momos. Itna to mujhe aata hai, guys. Do you all want more momos or that much is enough?
How
What
much
are
are
you
you
eating?
gonna eat?
I ate my dinner.
So, eat the momos.
How many momos?
2-3 momos max.
Okay then. Okay, then two. How many do we have? We have two. We
One,
have
two,
seven
three.
momos. You have 3. Okay, two will
You all want me to fry more?
No.
Look at the smile on his face. He
There's a lot
won.
of food.
Yeah, but there's too much carbs for you. Think about it.
Don't look at my body, guys.
I don't eat dinner itna late. It's 10:30 in the night. I already ate my dinner. My this AC is not working, guys. Only one AC is working. Satyam ने cleaning किया है. Look at the Satyam job, guys. He wants to show you all the room cleaning. Can you feel how clean this room is at this moment? Spick and span. ये सारे products इधर रखे थे तो Satyam is like दीदी आप जगह पे रख दो. I will do that and we'll put some decor over here. Everything's clean and spick and span. Walk-in is also clean and छोटी छोटी चीजें जो यहाँ हैं वो मैं रख दूँगी. That's okay. और भी मुझे जो आज छींके आ रही है उसके बाद I won't do it today. And they are enjoying their dinner and so is little Fudgy. Fudgy is also enjoying his dinner.
The next day.
Good morning. I'm feeling a lot better today and lot better क्या I'm not sick at all. So I thought कि आज shoot करके ख़त्म कर लेते हैं जितना भी content करना है because don't have any such big meetings in office. So I've come down to the salon. I got a blow dry and then I walked through my podium and this is what my hair looks like. I'm automatically feeling better when my hair is looking good. The curly girl routine was just not setting in and आज when I went to the hair salon, they did the classic, Madam आपने last hair spa कब कराया था? And I was like भैया मैं hair spa कराती ही नहीं हूँ, मैं घर पे ही hair mask वगैरह लगाती हूँ. Like नहीं hair mask काम नहीं करता, आपको hair spa कराना है. अब उनको कौन बोलेगा कि मुझे ये सब free में आता है? मैं literally I have every single day like a Kerastase or someone be like Sarah you want to get a hair spa, we can do it in this salon. Like I get a lot of invite to do all this and only because I don't want to do, I feel like hair spa is great. Okay, it's great for somebody especially like me. मेरे बाल dry है, damaged है and maybe I will even consider getting it now. I will message Kerastase and be like, you know, if you have, I will go and get it. My gold play button has like really given up. Huh? It's old now. सारा सरुष का RAS सब चला गया. कल साथ हमने डस्टिंग किया ना तो उस पे से सब हट रहा है. What was I saying? मैं गोल्ड प्लेट बटन देख के डर गई. ओके कि मेरे बाल वापस ब्लो ड्राई करने के बाद खराब हो गए बट नाउ अगर मैं कंघी करूंगी मेरे बाल के एंड्स ड्राई तो हो गए हैं. स्प्लिट एंड्स भी बहुत ज्यादा थे तो ही वाज लाइक हेयर कट करा लो. आई वाज लाइक अब भी मैंने ईद पे हेयर कट किया. आई डोंट वांट टू कट माय हेयर. आई नीड टू शूट वीडियोस जो कल नहीं हो पाया वो आज मैं सोच रही हूँ कर लूँ. इसलिए सुबह सुबह जाके क्विकली गॉट माय हेयर ब्लो ड्राइड एंड नाउ धड़ाधड़ आई विल गेट थ्रू वीडियोस एंड देन हाफ डे वील डू फ्रॉम हियर एंड हाफ डे वील गो टू ऑफिस एंड गेट सम मीटिंग्स एक्सेट्रा इन. सो लेट्स गो. I think if you ask me some of the best investments I've made as a creator founder, 2-3 कर लेते तो ऐसा लगेगा कि एक पॉडकास्ट का पार्ट था. मैं बेमैक्स से बात कर रही हूँ. सामने कैन यू सी माई बेमैक्स टॉयज देयर. आई एम लिटरली नोबडी इज इन फ्रंट यू गाइज बट मैं अपने बेमैक्स से बात कर रही हूँ उधर. दैट्स हाउ आई एम हैविंग दिस पॉडकास्ट. दिस इज अ स्टाइल ऑफ कॉन्टेंट अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिएटर्स डू जो एक्चुअली कोई नहीं होता उनके सामने बट वो लोग ऐसे करते हैं. मुझे बहुत मन था ऐसा कॉन्टेंट करने का. रीत और मैं भी करते हैं फॉर रोमिंग चेक सैक बट उसमें मैं बैठी रहती हूँ रीत के सामने. यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. दीपांशी एंड आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम स्टूडियो ओनली बिकॉज आज सबने सिक लीव ले ली है. सब एक्चुअली सिक है. मेरी टीम वाले इतने तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल है कि सच्ची में बीमार होते तो ही सिक लीव लेते हैं. तो कपल ऑफ देम आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम एंड कपल ऑफ देम आर on leave, so I thought I'll work from home only. What's the point of going to office and sitting alone? Although I love working from office, I love the energy over there. It's been a while that I've worked from studio. और आज मैली नहीं है. मैली गया है अपना पासपोर्ट का पुलिस वेरिफिकेशन कराने के लिए. They've taken a lot of time to get that done for him. ये पासपोर्ट के लिए बहुत चक्कर काटना पड़ता है. मेरे टाइम पे भी बहुत हैरान किया था मुझे. लिखा ही नहीं है ब्रांड ने प्रोडक्ट के. Skincare brands send something for testing, but at least specify where I'm supposed to test it on my hand, leg, face. किधर डालूँ इसको? इतने प्रोडक्ट है मेरे पास टेस्टिंग के लिए. Investors ask me कि why didn't you start a beauty personal care brand, beauty personal care? I was like, is there a place to build in beauty personal care? Everyone is building in beauty personal care. I don't want to build in beauty personal care. And I love doing brand collabs only in BPC. BPC में MOQs, gross margins are amazing in BPC, which is beauty personal care. You get great gross margin, like skincare and all. Like very very good. Like in F&B, which is the industry I am, food and bev, you don't get more than 45-50% max gross margin. I'm saying that's only COGS minus this, minus like selling price pay. Then you have to do discounting, store credit, D2C, website, gifting, boxes, logistics, and then when you go to Blinkit etc, the commissions are 35%. So you're left with barely anything because already it's a quick com friendly product. Like we are seeing maximum growth on Blinkit for impulse right now. It's a very quick com friendly product. We can reduce commercials by negotiating, but that's when you have an upper hand. And right now, Impulse's volumes are not that we have an upper hand. We definitely have demand on the platform that Blinkit is not able to meet. Like if you'll ever search Impulse Coffees, you'll mostly see most of the SKUs sold out. It's because हम जितना भेज पाते हैं वो लोग डार्क स्टोर में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं वो इमीडिएटली निकल जाता है वो हमको ज्यादा भेजने अलाउ ही नहीं करता. दिस इज द सेलर मॉडल ऑफ Blinkit. So the goal is to shift to the PO model basically where they raise a PO of the demand and then we send it to them. So we sell it once and for all and then it's their responsibility to sell it. So that's the goal for any brand to get there. But we are not on the PO model yet. We are on the seller model. So that means like a good 35% upright storage and everything. And when it's a low SKU product like the 99 rupees वाला जो अपना pack of 10 sachets है वो तो full loss making है. वो तो like a marketing SKU आपको सोच के चलना है. We are running it from so long. I'm thinking after December I might discontinue that product completely because I have like acquired a lot of customers via it and now those customers have converted to jars who had an intent to convert to jars, but anyone who keeps buying that product is basically giving me losses because that is like a CM to pay, you lose money on that product. So that's a full loss making. I had to take that risk to acquire customers because a lot of my competitors were giving sachets for really cheap भाव. अभी मेरी quality of coffee ऐसी कि मैं इतने सस्ते में तो दे नहीं सकती हूँ तो मैंने एक प्रोडक्ट में हिट ले ली बट एक साल के ऊपर मैं हिट नहीं ले पाऊंगी. जो दिसंबर में लॉन्च किया था दिसंबर तक we are going to take that hit and then might close out on that SKU completely. That's the decision on that and not yet made a decision. We will assess in December how the product has performed, how many customers it's acquired for us, what the sales are like. Like on Amazon and Blinkit that's our top selling SKU like that 149 वाला pack of 10 वो बहुत फटफट निकलता है. जैसे ही न्यू कस्टमर्स अक्वायर करने लगो वो निकलता है सबसे पहले. But that doesn't have the same coffee also. That has like spray dried coffee and in the jars we sell freeze dried coffee. So it was an experiment we tried to do. It worked partially but at a cost, I would say. I'm automatically nicer to you if my hair is looking good. It'd be curly, it'd be straight, that's okay with me, but it just has to look presentable. And today I looked so cute, but somehow didn't end up going to office at all. So I'm going to rewear this outfit tomorrow, okay? Nobody will tell anybody that I wore this outfit yesterday also. So I'm going to rewear it tomorrow.
Many hours later.
People ask me, दीदी आप इतना जिम करते हो आपकी बॉडी क्यों नहीं बन रही? मेरी बॉडी नहीं बन रही बेटा क्योंकि मैं जिम के बाद आके सेव पूरी खा रही हूँ. टिल मेरा खाना है घर से, नहीं भूख लगी हो और रीत ने सेव पूरी मंगाया तो couldn't resist. Have to eat. I'm a big चाट पगलू. चाट को मना नहीं कर सकती. मैं आज व्लॉग भी डालने वाली हूँ. आज हमारा मूड है व्लॉग डालने का. I need a new laptop, you guys. Say भालू.
Balu.
Not भालू, भालू.
My
Bhalu.
friend Swagat was teaching
अरे यार.
you might be Vidunna, his accent, he has a very thick accent. So Swagat was also teaching him like this. He was saying ba, then finally he said, "Abey ba."
Guys, this is foul language. I'm literally a child.
You're literally 2 years younger to me. You're not a child. You're of legal drinking age, everything age, marriageable age. तेरी उम्र में मेरी माँ के 2 बच्चे थे.
तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
Oh, nice! He tried it.
I really have a sad night with this guy. He's non-stop talking and laughing.
Yeah, so after a point I'm like, where's the remote to shut this thing? There's no remote. I have to throw
Once
him.
I was on holiday in Barcelona and my friends were like, "You're so annoying, just shut up." And then I proceeded not to talk for the rest of the holiday. And then they were even more annoyed because I was not talking at all. But I was like, "You told me to shut up, so I'm not going to talk at all." So yeah.
Moral of the
When
story
I'm
is
having fun, you should let me have fun, or else it'll be a bad night for everyone.
Cluedo nights, Clue.
Guys, I think we should cut Reed's hair.
Maybe
It's
we
getting
should
real
murder
now.
you and then everyone can solve that mystery.
No, it's easy. You only will be the murderer.
No, you don't know. Reet also hates and he doesn't show.
Maybe you guys are in on it together.
Yeah, like 36 Chinatown
You
picture.
invited Sharon. To
Yes.
blame it all on her.
Yes.
Run away quickly.
I've been trying to show them 36 Chinatown because that's my explanation of a murder mystery.
It's okay. You take a pencil.
Are you
Wait.
gonna sit here with the backrest?
Yes.
But I want to sit.
You're the baby, no? So who children need backrest? I'm old.
So my back develops.
No, back develops.
Back
At 25, your brain has not developed. Back develops.
There is no comeback to that.
No comeback. If I speak, whatever. I'm over this. I'm in a gaming mode. So now we're having real fun. Now the fun has just started. Sarah has left the room. Are we not having so much fun? How
We are. They cannot see me actually.
Why?
Hi guys. Yeah, we're having a lot of fun.
Look at Reith, he's having so much fun. He's not had this much fun since he used to drink.
The next morning.
Good morning guys. Today is Thursday. आज मैं पूरा glam करके निकल रही हूँ. Not like full high beat, but like makeup and leaving for office because I have an outdoor meeting in person. So I like to be a little put together for that. We're repeating the outfit and telling nobody that we wore this yesterday because it did not get used. मैं घर में ही थी, घर से ही काम कर रही थी. And आधे दिन में मैंने change भी कर लिया था. तो that's that. This is the Morphe lip liner in the shade Other Half. Really like this color. कल रात को मैंने vlog डाला और उसमें एक glitch था which I never checked. जो starting में ही था. Export में ना glitch हो जाता है. Sometimes when the files are too heavy or like 40-minute vlog, 45-minute vlog. So the way the editor sent it to me, I just uploaded it like that only. I didn't check that there was a problem in the starting. But no problem. You can cut after you upload on YouTube also. So Pooja probably will cut that part जिसमें audio नहीं है. When you're doing so many things, you can't be perfect at everything. That's one thing I've just learned to make my peace with. कि ठीक है चलेगा लाइक डाल रही हूँ उसी से मैं खुश हूँ कि मैं डाल पाई कल कंटेंट क्योंकि मेरा भी मोटिवेशन रन्स थिन वंस द डे इज ओवर यू नो आई हैव टू अपलोड अ व्लॉग एंड स्टफ दैट मींस आई हैव टू सिट टिल 9 o'clock 10 o'clock on my laptop ensuring everything is okay thumbnail है ये है वो है and it's a lot of work of course. This is the Huda Beauty powder. No better powder than this one. We've all learned that by now. I think even in makeup industry nobody can even think of launching a loose powder after Huda has launched it. The price point is perfect for the formula. It's not too expensive, it is not too cheap, it is perfect. Like it is value for your money. Like with makeup, you like Natasha Denona just did a powder. Reviews अच्छे नहीं है उसके and that is $75. So for powder, like this is $45 or something in American currency. In India, you get the छोटू one for 3,000, which is good ना, not bad. क्योंकि ये टिकेगा आपका पूरा साल. And this is your शादी powder, your everyday powder, your whatever powder it needs to be. It can be. Look at how it just minimizes the pores. This and the Easy Blur primer from Huda. This will give you the best base ever. For foundation, I've used House Labs, and for concealer, I've used PAC Cosmetics. I love that PAC Studio HD wala concealer.
The next day.
A little update from Friday. कल actually चला गया हमारा गद्दा वो रूम में क्योंकि इधर का AC निकल चुका है. ये AC I given an exchange policy on Amazon, so got a new 1.5 ton AC. This was a 1 ton AC, was never cool enough. So last night we took the बिस्तर from here. Yesterday was a very tiring day, so I was not vlogging at all in the evening. But हमने बिस्तर इधर डाला. We slept here in the night. ये AC 1.5 ton है पुराना है, but it works really well. That AC we got scammed in because I had done the exchange. I was at work and Reith had no idea कि क्या मतलब मैंने बुकिंग की थी Amazon पे. तो बंदा जो आया ही टोल्ड रीत के मैडम ने 1.5 बोला है और ये 1 टन का है तो आप मुझे 60% पैसा दे दो. Like he was actually not ready to take the AC only. He made Reeth pay him 4,500 for an AC I was anyways getting 6,000 in. So basically we sold this AC in just 3,000 rupees, 700 being the removal charges. Thank you. I'm having my chia seed water. And yeah, he scammed Reeth and I had no idea because I was so busy at work yesterday that I could not answer any calls from home. So that happened. Morning I have salt water with chia seed, rock salt. Sometimes I put blue spirulina in it, but namak and chia seed is cost effective and very like good for your gut in the morning and good for your stress and hydration also because kala namak and chia seed is fiber. Anyway, I have woken up and I have a couple of meetings. I have to take on calls. I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit the gym now because my working day ends at 7:30 8 o'clock today. So I'll hit the gym abhi only, otherwise शाम को मुझे chance नहीं मिलेगा. आज मैं office नहीं जा रही, आज मेरे को outdoors ही घूमना है. I have to go meet my formulator. I have to go meet one agency of sorts, which is also like a networking thing and another networking thing. So multiple networking things. अभी देखती हूँ मैं कितना आपको दिखा सकती हूँ. But let's go. Let's start our day. सत्या में AC लग जाएगा उसके बाद ये कर देना, गद्दा शिफ्ट कर देना वापस. एक तो ये लोग जो बोलते हैं ना वो टाइम पे आते नहीं है. They had said 11 o'clock they'll come. I am home. It is 11:30 now and they have still not come. They called me at 10 o'clock and asked me, मैडम आ जाओ. so they never come when they're supposed to come. Anyway, look who got influenced by the internet and everyone wearing the Whoop device, and I got this. So there are 3 of these. Basically, it's like a tracker of your sleep, of your steps, of your heart rate, of your general health. I think it's unnecessary. I genuinely feel like it's going to make me overanalyze a lot of things because I'm a numbers girl and I like a lot of metrics for my performance, etc. Like I want to hit my steps. I want to like मैं वैसी बन गई हूँ, मैं पहले वैसी नहीं थी. I just want to live a healthy life, and now it's like we're quantifying a healthy life. We want 7k steps or 10k steps or 15k or whatever. Like we have a metric we want to meet, and it's just getting more and more and more. So I thought about it a lot कि मैं नई Apple Watch लूँ कि ये लूँ, क्योंकि मेरी Apple Watch में just पहनने लगी. I was enjoying it again, but उसका charge 24 hours में खत्म हो जाता है, and this apparently has 14 days charge. That was the only reason why I decided to get this, and because I want to start tracking my sleep. I've been having difficulty sleeping since this last month despite taking magnesium. I don't get peaceful sleep. Like मैं रात को नींद में उठती हूँ, ये मेरे साथ पहले कभी नहीं होता था. So this is very new to me. It's not even like I have coffee in the second half of the day. Like I have my second cup of coffee before 3 o'clock if I have to have a second cup of coffee. So it's not that. This is a black iced Americano. Looks beautiful. And my glass is grey, इसीलिए इतनी black लग रही है, but it's actually this color. I'm having रात की रानी espresso, and I wanted to unbox this with you all. Let's see, मैंने Whoop Peak मंगाया. There's a Whoop Life and a Whoop Life, Whoop Peak, and Whoop something else also. It's basically a tracking device with a subscription plan. Here's hoping it helps for the better. It's cool and seamless on your hand. देखते अब ये best investment होगी कि worst. I'm so bad at these unboxings. I should not be allowed to unbox anything. कैसे खुलता है ये? ओपन ईयर जिधर फाड़ा उधर से तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. Here, this looks so good. Oh my god. Wear your Whoop, pull open the clasp, adjust the band to tighten, snap the clasp close, slide on the power pack, wake up your Whoop to begin pairing with the app. Hai, इसके लिए तो phone लगेगा. लाओ मेरा phone वापस करो. I made a mistake. I had ordered things on the Nykaa sale, and instead of ordering it to my Mumbai address, I ordered it to my Assam address. And Jeet is talking to the delivery boy because there's nobody in our Assam house. इतनी सारी चीज़ें मैंने मंगाई थी. बाथ एंड बॉडी की कैंडल्स एंड सो मच स्किन केयर, बॉडी केयर एंड फुट केयर, बिकॉज मेरा फुट एक्जिमा मुझे बहुत तकलीफ दे रहा है. दिस इज लुकिंग सो कूल ऑन माई हैंड. इट गिव्स लाइक एथलेटिक, बट अभी तो इसमें कुछ पेयर नहीं हो रहा. आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस वर्क्स ऑनेस्टली. आई नीड टू फिगर. एसी वाला आया. Okay, I'll hit the gym without a device. That's okay. It still matters to hit the gym. My dermat was like, how do you hit a gym without a device? मैं तो swimming भी नहीं जाता without my Apple Watch. And I was like, people have become very competitive these days. पहले मैं ऐसी नहीं. अभी भी actually I don't care. If I have to hit the gym, I hit the gym. 2 AC का लगा है, outdoor एक. हाँ, ऊपर डालना है. ये indoor unit है. पहले 1 टन था, 1.5 टन आ जाएगा ना. में वो बहुत ग्रिटीनेस आता है. करेक्ट, वो इसमें नहीं आता. इसमें एक स्लाइट एक फर्मेंटेड ऑफ नोट्स आते हैं. इसको काफी हद तक मास्क किया है. ओके, ये आई एम एक्साइटेड फॉर द सैंपल्स. इंडिया में क्या है उसका प्राइसिंग से एक बार कंपेयर करके देखते हैं. सो वी गेट अ स्वीट स्पॉट. घर पे आपने भेजे थे ना, एज कंपेयर टू ऑल द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर सैंपल्स, दोज वर क्रीमी एंड टेस्टी, but there was a medicinal aftertaste which was good. It's tasty but it's a little overly sweet. This is no proper. वो इम्पल्स के फ्लेवर्स के साथ बना है कि ये पहले मैं ट्राई करूँ.
हाँ, ये सिर्फ का ये फ्लेवर आल्सो.
हाँ, आपके फ्लेवर्स एंड इनफैक्ट अगर आप कोई स्पेसिफिक कॉफी पाउडर यूज करते हैं तो वी कैन यूज दैट.
Yeah, I had asked him to sell. June, July was a lull in terms of sales. The inventory was moving super slow because of June, July being June, July. Usually in our market it is a slow period. August से पिकअप होता है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेल आती है एक्सेट्रा. एंड हमने भी कोई सेल नहीं रन की थी जून जुलाई में. एक बार आई विल जस्ट कंफर्म विद माई ऑप्स टीम कि मैन्युफैक्चरर को पैकेजिंग कब मिल रहा है. कल मुझे बैठ के फोरकास्टिंग वगैरह सब प्लान करना है. व्हाट हैपेंस इज माई मार्केटिंग टीम प्लान्स so much gifting, seeding, and they do it very last minute. Like Sharon कल उठ के बोलेगी पैडल का इवेंट हो रहा है, 100 बॉक्स उधर भेजने हैं. वृंदा बोलेगी 250 उधर भेजने हैं. तो ये लोग लास्ट मिनट पे उठ के बताते हैं, और ऑप्स इज लाइक मैं उधर भेज दूं तो मैं बेचूंगा क्या, और फिर वो लोग भेजेंगे तो और भी सेल आएगी. तो वो सेल का क्या करें. It is 9 o'clock और मैं अभी घर जा रही हूँ. घर मतलब लिटरली 31st फ्लोर पे हम जा रहे. जुप जुप जुप. माशाल्लाह, दिस लिफ्ट इज वेरी फास्ट व्हिच आई लाइक. आधा टाइम खराब रहती है बट जब चलती है एकदम फास्ट चलती है. हाश, क्या दिन रहा है मेरा. बहुत अच्छा दिन रहा है माशाल्लाह से. सैम्पलिंग में सक्सेस नहीं मिला हमको, बट माई लैब स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर मोर क्लियरली टुडे, वेयर दे वर लाइक ठीक है हमको समझ गया आपको क्या चाहिए. इट्स म्यूजिक टू माई ईयर्स व्हेन समबडी सेज कि हमको समझ गया क्या चाहिए. आई हैव अराइव्ड. हाय बेबी बेबी फजी बेबी तुमको पिंपल आ रहा है?
आ रहा है तो मैंने ही फोड़ा, वो दिख रहा था तो
क्यों फोड़? कुछ सीखा है मुझसे? Guys, new air conditioning is in. Oh my goodness, big, it's big. जानू ये लग रहा है ये तो खराब हो गया। और
क्या खराब हो गया अभी?
ये एक चाहता है, ये घर का मेंटेनेंस बहुत है।
हाँ बाबू, ये थोड़ा सा टाइम वो लगेगा बाबा।
चुबा में कुछ जोर का।
या वो अंदर था, अभी फिर इट्स अ क्रैक नो तो।
Wow, but the AC looks, is it working properly?
Yeah, it is.
Did you work it? Oh my god, they spoiled the ceiling. These people, they just come and do something wrong. We need to paint the house. सत्या, ये इन लोग ने स्क्रैच मारा है कि ये जाएगा मार्क पेंसिल का है? तू ध्यान कहाँ देता है सत्यम? तुझे थोड़े फर्क पड़ता है थोड़ा। आप देखो वो पोंछ के निकलता है क्या? दीदी पता है ना बहुत पर्टिकुलर है ये सब चीजों में। गाइस सत्यम ने पोंछ के निकाल दिया। एंड हियर्स प्रेजेंटिंग आवर न्यू डाइकिन एयर कंडीशनर 1.5 टन फॉर दिस रूम। पहले 1 टन था। आई डिडंट इवन एक्सपेरिमेंट विद द ब्रांड बिकॉज़ आई लव डाइकिन। माय ऑफिस हैज डाइकिन, माय ऑल रेंटल हाउसेस हैड डाइकिन, माय लिविंग रूम हैज मित्सुबिशी, जो 2 साल में अभी ये वाला एसी ऑलरेडी हैरान करने लगा है। बट दैट्स नॉट द एसीज प्रॉब्लम, इट्स द डक्ट में कुछ फंसा हुआ है एंड दे आर लाइक पूरा पैनलिंग खोलना पड़ेगा उसके लिए। आज पानी आया क्या? इतने दिन एसी चालू था तो नहीं आया ना। Alright, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. आज का दिन मेरा hectic था, but it was very fulfilling because सब कुछ हो गया and I'm not feeling so tired, so I'm good. I will eat some जय जवान के prawns मंगाए हैं मैंने, और आज मैंने इतना कुछ खाया नहीं है वैसे, so I can eat or cheat. We've been cheating a lot, huh? In the last 2-3 days, I'm like PMSing का पूरा फायदा, वो एक हफ्ता महीने का जो मेरा मन करता है मैं खाती हूँ। मेरे सेल्फ कंट्रोल का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है और फिर कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते उसका। Like the minute I want to eat something, I eat. I feel like this VOP is going to be a stressor more than a stress calculator for me because वो मुझे बताएगा कि मैं कितनी stressed हूँ और मुझे डेटा देगा, and data driven stress can give me more stress क्योंकि क्या ही करेगा इंसान, solution तो नहीं है, it's just an analytics device. So let's see. Everybody was telling me today at the events also because I was in a lot of corporate rooms with a lot of founders, entrepreneurs, and they were like हमने शुरू किया फिर 1 साल में बंद कर दिया पहनना। तो I will give you review 1 साल में कि did I comply wearing this. I have actually just worn this because I want to see कि मैं नींद में कितने घंटे डीप स्लीप ले रही हूँ, क्योंकि आजकल मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं अच्छे से फ्रेश नहीं उठ रही हूँ। आई एम नॉट स्लीपिंग वेल, सो इफ दैट्स द केस देन आई नीड टू फिगर व्हाट्स द ट्रिगर फॉर दैट एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू व्हेंस आई हैव सम रीडिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस. इट टेक्स apparently 10 to 12 weeks to give me calibrated readings, so we'll get back with that. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, shout out goes to Vivek being Vivek. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part next year's shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying #SarahSquad and chance for my next video Sarah Squad shout out. I was James. Bye.